dog. Dalmatian. Kind of leaked down a little bit, the color. But kind of looks like eyelashes or something. I don't know.
Are you done, Mom?
I'm done. He's done. As done as I can make him, I think. He's just gonna sit out here like a good boy. Stay! And this, whoa, that looks awesome. This is BB-8, right?
Yep.
So he's all yellow?
Not really yellow, more like orange. But after, I'm gonna do black for the designs.
And what are you using on the snow there?
Paint.
What?
Paint.
It's actually food coloring and water.
Oh.
Sorry, I forgot you didn't make it. Titus made it. Hi, Titus.
Hi.
What are you making? Oh, this is going to be the shakiest video ever. Whew.
I'm also making BB-8.
Another BB-8.
Yep.
This is a great sculpture to make because it's, instead of 3 snowballs, it's 2.
Technically, it's 1 1/2.
Who said cats and dogs don't like each other?